Hey guys, welcome back to Mystery Toys. Today we're going to be using our super cool Just Like Home magical microwave, and we're going to be putting these different color Play-Doh inside and see what cool surprises we get. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with the color red. And our first surprise is Ariel from The Little Mermaid. She has long red hair and a pretty little mermaid tail. She is very pretty. Next, let's use the color green. Oh wow, look you guys! We have Princess Tiana! And do you guys know what movie she's from? If you do, let me know in the comment section below. She has a pretty headband in her hair, and her dress is really pretty. She has some really nice green gloves. Next, we're going to use the color blue. I wonder who the surprise will be. Did you guys guess Cinderella? Well, here she is, in her beautiful ball gown, which is also blue. And look at her pretty white gloves. She's ready for the ball. And lastly, we're going to use the color yellow. Let's find out who this will be. And look, we have Queen Elsa from Frozen. Look at her dress. And I love her braid. She is very, very pretty. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed the cool surprises that came out of our magical microwave. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with another video from Mystery Toys. Bye for now guys, and thanks so much for watching!